Want to personalize your desktop and keep tabs on the time without even glancing at your taskbar? Let's dive into how you can add a handy clock right onto your Windows 11 desktop. First things first, we're going to access something called the Widgets panel. To get there, simply click anywhere on your taskbar. It's the icon that looks like two overlapping squares. Once the Widgets panel is open, you'll see various information cards. Look for the area at the top that says Add Widgets. By clicking the plus icon, scroll down the panel for the section titled Available Widgets. Okay, focus on the available widgets inside the panel. You should see a clock widget. If you do not see it, use the search box and search for clock. Now, click the clock widget. You may be prompted to choose different clock designs and styles. Go ahead and select the clock style that fits your taste and how you've designed your desktop. After selecting your clock style, Windows will immediately add your clock onto your screen. You can move it to your ideal spot and can customize it further by right-clicking on the widget. There could be customization options presented. And there you have it. You've successfully added a personalized clock widget to your Windows 11 desktop. Enjoy your customized and functional desktop.